Hello my dears, this is Sarah from SheHoldsDearly.com, and today I'm going to take you on a little tour of my Patriotic front porch. So first off, I went ahead and hung something on my front door. Usually I do a wreath. This time I had a little paper fan that I had made from a previous year where I did a whole wall with a bunch of paper fans, and I printed out the little Liberty label, which I will link for you if you want to make one of these. That's all I did for the front door. Then off to the left side of the front door, I had a louvered bifold door, which I think look cool, like big old shutters. And so I just leaned that up against the wall. That's a great way to get some big impact on a wall space and then just layer on top of that. So then I hung an old vintage basket and I put silk flags in it. I found these silks on eBay. I think they're from the 50s, and I just think they're extra dreamy as far as flags go. Then in the corner I stuck our patio umbrella, and I found this one at World Market a couple years ago. I'm gonna see if they still have it, and I can link that below if they do. In front of that I have just a child size red chair with a bucket of old baseballs that I just have found actually in my yard, and I just always put them in my summer decorating bin because I think they're cute. I have a fern, and I just use faux ferns. I am not really into high maintenance plants, and so I think I have 4 fern picks that I got at Michael's, put them in a little galvanized bucket. And the wicker chair is from IKEA. I did make the throw pillow, the 1776 established pillow, and there's a tutorial coming for that. Then on the right side of the front door, I just kept my urn that I usually have here. I stuck another bucket down to balance both sides of the door, another bucket of ferns, and I just put a little tea-stained flag, a little cheapo flag in that for a little patriotic vibe. And when you're decorating for the 4th of July, it doesn't have to be flags. I'm sure you know that, but just let me remind you, it can be stripes, it can be red, white, and blue, and any of that all together has a great feel. On the pew here out on the porch, I have these pinstripe pillows. I made these a couple years ago for my summer tour inside, but just the blue with the stripes is just gonna look great all summer long. It can take you definitely through July and August, even after the 4th. Then I have I call it throw blanket, but it's a linen tablecloth. I dyed it and I added this beautiful fringe trim, and I have a blog post on that and a video as well, and turned that into elegant throw blanket that I have out here on the bench with another pinstripe pillow. And then up above that I hung a picture that I painted just freehand on a canvas. I did a YouTube live for this. I will give you a link for that, and you can make it for like $15. You can make a really beautiful simple painting like this, and it has the blue and white, so it coordinates nicely without like overdoing the flags. And then at the end of the bench I put my vintage croquet set. So that's it, pretty simple, just a few pops with flags and some blues and white and some vintage touches, and I'm done. So I get to enjoy this now for a while, and then after the 4th I'll probably pull just the flags and leave the rest and have it kind of feel nautical for the rest of the summer, and that should be just fine. So I hope you're inspired by this, you got some new ideas, and you're ready to try this on your front porch. So thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I do post regularly, and I share my professional design advice and our vintage home life. Take care, and I will talk to you soon.